Morning, Global Studies students. Here we go for another introduction to our week. I'm going to start by going down to the folder for our week, and once again, like usual, I'm going to walk you through our instructions. This week, we are going to be working on a project that you are going to be working on with English, and if you have communications for this Hexter, you'll be working with them as well. The plan is this. First of all, take these instructions, put them into Notability, and use it as a checklist. Today, in this folder, you are going to be starting an assignment called Authors Notes Global and ELA. I will have a video that actually walks you through this. We are going to be looking at 6 different categories: country background, COVID data, throughout the week. All right, so for Thursday, we're going to look at the idea of country background, and it tells you where to take your notes, and also COVID data. Friday, you're going to be looking at a section called People. And for all of these, you are going to be using culturegrams for your information. The bottom line is you are going to be creating a science fiction story in English, but you're going to be using the global components from your adopted country. Monday, you will open the assignments you've been working on, and you're going to be looking at customs and courtesies, all right, and taking some notes. Tuesday, next week, you'll be looking at lifestyle. And then on Wednesday, you are going to be looking at society. My big heads up to you is next Friday, November 6th, there is no school. All right, so therefore your CNN 10 reflection for next week is actually due on Thursday at 11:59. So you want to make sure you are looking at that on the calendar. If you've not gotten the habit yet, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you are looking at your calendar for what's happening. All right, I'm going to update this after I make this video for the next coming week. And therefore, I hope everybody has a wonderful week.